Hey, what's up? It's your boy SoulStar Sketchin. How you doing today? All right, so we're gonna do one video a little bit different than all the others, okay? Just a little bit different. A bit different. All right, follow me? So what we're gonna do with this video is I'm gonna talk about how to make your own website for free. Yeah, free. No money involved. I use no money whatsoever. By the way, I went through like a couple other free website setups just to get this right, okay? Let you know the struggle. Anyway, I'm sorry wasting time. Let's get to it right now, okay? Let's go, come on. Hey, I'm back again. So, all right, I'm about to show you real quick. It's not gonna be very long, I promise you. Your own website for free. You can connect it to several things at once, but this is just to get you started, all right? This is just to get you started. That's all. The rest is totally on you, bro. You gotta put some work into this. Fair warning, as I keep saying, you gotta put some work into it, bro. You gotta put some work, all right? I know it's kind of weird. It's a little hard, but you gotta try. So this website is called Weebly, all right? Weebly helps you create websites. It's connected with companies like Square. It's associated with, what's the name of that thing? Well, anyway, don't worry about Wix. That's it, Wix. So here's what you do. First, you log in. Well, make your own thing. Register first, obviously. Just register. I ain't gotta explain registry. It's really explanatory. They got a register button and all that. Don't worry about it. You'll figure it out on your own. Once you do that, log in. Don't worry, I'm not gonna show any of my... All right, none of my stuff's gonna be shown here, so... I'm gonna block all this, don't worry. It's gonna be blurred out, don't worry about it. By the way, editing, right to blurring. Blur it all! That's all my shit, dude! Get it out! Get it out, bro. Alright, so again, I'll probably be blocking out my info right there. Because it's irrelevant. When you open it, right here, what's gonna happen is it'll show you how to edit. If you wanna upgrade, that's wanna put money into it, don't put money into it. It's not worth it, don't do that. No. All the tools you need is free right here, okay? So you got your website editing tool right here, which is you make your own website, edit it, make a domain for it. Domain is the domain name, so you gotta put in a domain name. Don't worry about that. That's free as well. It's all, at least the first one anyway. Orders if you want to connect a mail ordering service to. Fulfillments is if you want to do shipping with your processing company, whatever. It's all for like free startups. Okay, it's like when you start up a company. I'm not trying to start up a company. I'm just trying to make sure the website's running good. All right. Photo Studio. That's where you put your photos. All right, so here's where you put your photos. You got the, click the button, blah, blah, blah. You put your photo in there. A lot of y'all seen this, right? Okay, now, let me show you my website. I'm going to show you the bare bones of my own website, okay? This is, I rarely show this. This is purely for educational purposes. I want to help somebody, get started on a website. Right? That's the main goal. So make sure you connect your website to whatever email that you want to connect it to. You can always switch it up later if you want to, that's fine. You also switch to English, or Spanish, or one time I had it at Dutch by accident. I don't know why. I was just speaking pure Dutch. I'm like, I guess I'm speaking Dutch. Guess we're going Dutch. I don't know. All right, I'm going right to the main site itself to show you how I do that. All right, so if you want to edit your site, obviously first you go to the main part of it, and then go to. By the way, when you make your site, at the bottom of the screen here, it's just showing you like the statistics of. It's like daily statistics. So the past 17 days, I have 14 page views, 9 unique views, and 1,214 page views per visit on average, which is not too terrible. It's not the greatest, but it's not terrible either. So, I'm a small time business. That's I'm not super famous or anything. I'm not gonna I just made this like a few months back. But I'm glad I'm on website because it feels more professional. I'm about to show you what I mean. So here we go. I'm pressing edit site and give you an idea what I do. All right, so we're back again. Hi. This is my main website. Let's show you the bare bones. I have a SoulStar Sketchin website. It is soulstarsketchin.weebly.com. I'll flash that on the screen for you. Don't worry. Okay? I'll flash it on the screen for you. I'll flash like a crazy. It's the bare bone version of it. All right? So this is the meat. So when I make the things like the banner, by the way, I use Canva, the free app, Canva. I'm sure you heard of it. I'll flash that name on the screen for you. I use that to build most of this. So the pages, all that stuff. You can use some Canva as well to do the same exact thing. Just save your pages. That's all you gotta do. My intro screen right here, which lets you know I'm a freelance illustrator, because I am a freelance illustrator. That's what I professionally do. I make money doing this. As well, I make content for YouTube and all that. I'll get to that part as well, by the way. So when you build your page, what you gotta do is build, all right? Then on the screen, you can click any part of the screen you want. It would have been like blank, whatever. You can insert your links by using, all right, you scroll down to where it says button, right here on the sidebar here, button. Go where it says button. I'll find it. Right there, button, right? Click that. You can drag it and put it on the screen like that. So that's where these suckers right here for, the Instagram, YouTube channel, all that stuff. I'm just putting it for purpose. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna save any of this. By the way, the only way you can save things on this is if you go right here where it says publish. It means you're gonna save that part of the website. You're gonna save it permanently. You can get rid of it later. It's really easy. Just drag it out or just, delete it. Click on and delete it. There's a little X button right there. See it? That's how you get rid of a button on this. So to get the button, find button and just drag it on here. When you get rid of the button, click that. Now if you want to add something to the button, what you do is click on the button itself. You go to settings. You got button text, button style, positions, and here's the link if you want to, link the button somewhere to a specific website or URL, whatever. It's up to you, man. It's your website. You do what you want with it. By the way, like the transitions of this too. By the way, I'm gonna show you transitions. Oh, you're gonna like this once I get to that part. But make sure buttons are kind of important though. It helps spread out your information. Helps people know who the hell you are. They don't know who you are, bro. They probably still don't know who I am. But I'm making a little bit of progress. It is growing a little bit, so I'm seeing some progress. I wish it was a little faster, but that's okay. I'm working on that too. After you do that though, when you do your pages, by the way, you can go to either build or pages. On pages, right here, you can just make a new page by pressing that plus button right there, like that. You make a standard page, blog page, category page, which shows like your products and all that stuff. If you got products, a product page, which showcases one of the products, external links, and unclickable menus just shows, drop downs pretty much. But I go for standard page, just make it easy on myself. You can do whatever you want though. This is your website. Experiment with this. This is really intricate, all right? Experiment with this stuff. If you don't experiment with it, you're not gonna learn. You gotta experiment a little bit. Don't be afraid to touch it. Touch a little bit. Get a little touch. Get a little poke in the belly. Go ahead. It's Spillberry's boy. Go ahead. Do it. Now, at the top says Pages, Theme, App, Settings. Settings, you can just go to General. Oh, here's something important. SEO. It means Search Engine Optimization. Okay. This is important. You can use it for your own YouTubes as well, but here's what you do. What you do is you go to Google. All right? Go to Google Key Planner. Type in what type of website this is, and then copy paste all that information into here, right here. This is meta keywords, right under keywords. Put all that stuff in there, all of it, as much as you can. The more relevant it is, the better. For themes, it's pretty obvious. You can change your theme if you want to. I'm just clicking it right now. Do you want it to be an online store? Do you want it to be portfolio, which I got right now, portfolio. This is what basically is for my website. Or do you want it as a business? Like a business. Mine's kind of like portfolio / business. See what I'm saying? It's a little bit of both. I'm about to show you that part in a second, real quick. You can also use pages to navigate to your website too, really quickly for yourself. But also added buttons as well for each page that I got. So there's home, art merch, videos, and more. What's more? I'll show you in a second. First, art merch. This stuff I got on sale. I link it to my Etsy store. I'm also gonna link it to my Redbubble as well. If you want me to link it to other stuff, let me know. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you want me to link more stuff. I can explain it. But you pick a product like we said before. You drag the button onto here, then you middle button right there at the top. See that? See that middle button right there? You can use it to add an image to help sell the product better. You can link it to the actual site where it's being held. Do whatever you want with it. It's your choice. Do whatever. But this is what I did with it. I like it better this way. That's just me. So I just got art prints here. I got a shirt, merch. It's just examples. I'm gonna add more to the store page here. I got maybe like 10 items here. I'm gonna add like 60 altogether. All right. So I'll be spending next week updating the crap out of this later. Don't worry, it's looking more impressive. You want to see the impressive stuff though? I can show you that. Hold on a second. Take it back to home. Here's my home page real quick, where I talk about, I'm an illustrator and all this. My services are available. By the way, my commissions are open too. I'm gonna get to that part as well. Here's my art gallery. Now look at this. I got it set up to, I can have it as, I'll just show you really quickly. Now I can set this to several ways. I can have borders for this. I put none for this. I put like a thick border, a medium border, a thin border. You can see like changing the background right there. Whew. Sorry, I have to sneeze a little bit. All right, continue on. See here, I got all my designs, my gallery, all that stuff. I got my art commission prices for my Patreon attached here as well. And on the real one, when you click on this, you will go right to my Patreon. So not bad. By the way, I'll flash a Patreon link right there at the top somewhere. I'll probably link the whole thing into the video as well. So let you know, yeah, my stuff's available. But yeah, how you want to put your images in here? It's about the same way I did it with this is my gallery. So what you do is you click on the main build itself, or just add another page to it. Go to edit background, replace, and then you pick a picture from your computer. Add, replace, pick whatever picture you want. Doesn't matter. Just pick one. Have fun with it. I mean, they got the standard background as well. You can use your own as well. So do whatever you want. I use Canva a lot to add in the backgrounds. I recommend Canva to you if you want to use something. Go to Canva, all right? Go to Canva. Or you can use other stuff or other images from Google. It's up to you, really. Just make sure it fits the theme of whatever it is kind of business or whatever kind of website you're making. See what I'm saying? Oh, here's an important one. I use this for my videos. I'm gonna go to videos real quick. All right, now all my videos on my YouTube, which is SoulStar Sketchin. SoulStar Sketchin. That's what it is. It's SoulStar Sketchin. I got a link to my YouTube right there. Add it in there with the buttons. And I got some of my videos here. See that? I'm gonna add a few more, but I'm just like, I don't want to fill the whole page with just videos. I want to add like every so often. So I'll probably put like 10 videos and then just switch them out every time. But yeah, here we go. First thing is, I want to show you to embed your video in here, all right? So what you do is, first off, go to embed code. You can just drag it onto here and put it wherever you want. Let's just stay here for a moment. Yeah, let's just say I put my code right there. Now, after that, on your video, I'm gonna have to go back to the page. I don't know why it's doing that, but that's all right. All right, so I just want to show you this really quickly for each one of your pages. So you put the page name right there so people will see what it is, like the home page. Put your header there. Visibility, so public, make it public. SEO settings I mentioned before, that's important. Go to Google Key Planner, all right? That'll help you out to with the SEO of it and make sure people can, find you. Because how the hell they gonna know who the hell you are, bro? You can also change your URL to just whatever you want to call it. Page description, just writing your description. Footer code, header code, it's up to you on that one. But the main important thing is the meta keywords, okay? For each one of your pages, put a meta keyword for it exactly. So for this one, I got find artist for commission art side, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. And finally, last part of this. All right, last part of this is my commission page. My commission page I'm pretty proud of. I put my Patreon link on there. People want to know how much I charge. So, okay, my Patreon, that's like kind of like think like a subscription in a way, all right? So you're still getting my work, but you're going to get it based off what you want exactly. I got a whole listing right there. We're going to make another video about that entirely because it's a totally different thing, all right? That's a different piece altogether. I'm not getting into it. So that's like the subscription thing, all right? Think of it that way. Now, my actual rate is $20 an hour. For me personally, it's $20 an hour. So when you hire me, I'm going to charge you $20 an hour, okay? Why $20 an hour? Because an artist should be paid for their work. That's why. And trust me, that's cheap compared to several other artists. I'm being very cheap. Why am I being very cheap? Because I want to make sure that people want to come back to me when they see a good job that I do. Look at my work. Look at my videos. You're on my website right now. You're on my channel right now. Look at the work I got. Look at that. That's what you're going to get. I'm pretty consistent every time. But if you don't like the work, just tell me. I only charge you like the first hour that I did, and that's it. So it's probably like $20. So you're not missing. So basically, even if you didn't like the work, I'm only going to charge you $20. That'll be it. I'm not going to charge anymore. But if you like the work, I'm going to charge you the full price then, whatever it is, how long it took me. I document my work. I make sure it looks okay. I show you the raw file, all that stuff. All right? This is all I do. All right? Cool. I'm glad you understand. What I'm going to tell you is, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this information I'm giving you right now. You want to join the channel, you can. It's up to you. It's only 99 cents. Website, I already told you that earlier. You got that. You already got that information. I want to make sure that you have information to what you need to do to make your own website. Once you got everything done, press that publish button at the screen up. See out there what says publish? Press that. It means you're done. All right? Just get yourself started on a website. If you're thinking about it, just go on and do it. This is like the easiest way. Hands down, the easiest way. It's free. You can upgrade if you want to, but say no, it's not really worth it. Just keep it as it is. People have to find you. Let them find you. Put in the SEO work. Just put in the work. That's all you got to do. It may sound like a lot, but it really isn't a lot once you get into it. You do have to kind of explore a little bit. You want me to talk about more about it later on, another video, I can. I'll go to specific things. I'm not a genius or any of that stuff with computers or websites. I found this site and it worked for me the best. It represents me and I can switch it out, make it to a slideshow, whatever I want. Okay? Now, if you want to see more of my stuff, please click the next video, alright?